All right, language explorers. Let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So deal. Deal. To do something so you will be better off. Better off, yeah. When people agree on something for their own betterment. When we agree on something and we are better because of it. When people agree on something and they are better because of it, yeah. So you could say, I want to make a deal. Yeah. They have a deal. Yeah, they agreed to something. Yeah. These deals won't last forever. No. These deals won't last forever. Yeah. That deal will expire in 2030. 2030. Then they need to make another deal. Yeah. It will expire soon. They will need to come to a new agreement. A new agreement. Deal. Yeah. How cool is that? I dealt with it earlier. We dealt with something. We sorted it out. We agreed on it earlier. We are dealing with it now. We are sorting it out now. Sorting it out now. Yeah. We will have a deal soon. That will be a good deal. Yeah. Once they sort out the specifics, the details, when they agree on the details, they will have a good deal. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, a good deal. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, deal. Yeah. To do something and better off. When people do something, agree on something for their betterment. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use deal in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.